Alright guys, about to go on the freeway and do this exhaust clip right quick of the end cab of the new Dynamax bullet muffler. Oh, it's a lot louder in the overpass under the freeway. Oh man. I'm trying to get over right quick. I'm trying to get over by from this Prius. Okay, he don't let me over, he's not. Now, don't mind all the wind noise because I got the sunroof kind of open right now and everything else. But it's not actually bad. It's actually louder than the Flowmaster I had. It's a little louder than that. I can actually hear it now. And, you know, step on it. Step on it. Yeah, it picks up speed pretty slow, I know. It's a stock 5.7. But, and the wind's blowing also, it makes it even worse, the wind's blowing too. Yeah. But actually, no, it's not bad. I'm gonna get off right here, just exit at Laguna. Get off right here, I'm gonna turn around, come back. Actually not bad. You know, I should go to Best Buy right here. I'm Best Buy is right here. I'm about to go pick up a camera and we'll look at the cameras and see what they have. I've been saying it for the longest. I want to get these videos edited and everything and stuff like that. So, you know, it's not a bad muffler. I actually like it better than the Flowmaster I had on it before. Back window. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I'm pretty sure as time goes on, me driving, I'm guessing to get louder. I'm pretty sure it will. But it's cool. All right, y'all, later.